Heads up before we start building. In the last video, I broke down the entire architecture of this agent, how it thinks, why it's split into two separate videos, the reason behind every single decision, everything. All theory lives in that video. So if you want to go the why first, go watch that one. But if you want to build it, click by click, hands on, perfect. That's exactly what we are going to do today. No theory, just clicking and connecting. Real quick, here's what we are working in. So you know every tab. This is where the whole workflow gets built. It's free to self-host. You can let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a video on that. OpenRouter, it's a platform where I can get one single API key and I can use that API key to access any AI model. So we can swap models anytime. Here in this video, for this agent, Gemini 2.5 Flash is the model that is the brain behind the research and the content writing agent. It's fast and cheap. And Google Docs, Google Sheets, we all discussed it earlier. That's the full stack. Now let's build. First note, a manual trigger. I'm using manual because I want full control over when this agent runs. I only fire it when I actually want to repurpose a video. Next, an edit fields node will put the topic and then the summary. And this summary can be anything. 100-word summary, full video script, or the rough notes. Anything that explains what your video or topic is about. Now, execute this once just to confirm that data is flowing correctly. ये step छोटा है लेकिन ध्यान से. Clean input is everything here. Now, add an AI agent and rename it Research Agent. For the user message, select Define below. Drag in your topic and summary from edit fields. You can see the output from the previous agent on the left side panel whenever you open the settings for any node in n8n. On the left side, you have the inputs coming from the previous agents, and the output is on the right side, which is the output of this particular node. Paste your system prompt here, connect to OpenRouter, choose Gemini 2.5 Flash, set the temperature to 0.3, low because this particular node, it's gonna do the work of research. Okay, so we don't want it to wander off and be creative. We want it to be factual. Remember from the last time, this agent only researches. It will find your audience, search intent, keywords, facts, and insights. It does not write any content. Now, enable require specific output format. Now, this agent is because the output will come in a very vague format in messy paragraphs. But we don't want that because it will not work for the further workflow well. So, we enable the required specific output format and add a structured output parser from the right-hand side panel. So, instead of messy paragraphs, we get clean JSON. अब एक गलती मत करना जो मैं ऑलरेडी 50 बार कर चुकी हूँ और फिर भी भूल जाती हूँ. The parser need its own chart model connected to. Connect OpenRouter and Gemini here as well. Most people forget this and then the output won't validate. The workflow will show an error. Execute and look. Clean structured JSON. Quick reminder of the flow from last video. Topic and summary go into the research agent and that produces structured research and that research feeds the content writer. Thinking first, writing second. We covered why the last time. Add another AI agent. Rename it content writer. Connect OpenRouter just like we did previously. Put the system messages, system prompts. And this time, when we connect Gemini 2.5 Flash here again, we bump up the temperature to 0.7 because it's doing the writing work and now we actually want the creativity. Paste the content writer prompt and execute. And dekho, in one single run, you have everything. You have Instagram carousel, you have LinkedIn post, Medium article, YouTube community post, everything planned for you, whatever you wanted from the rough notes you put in at the start of this agent. Now, let's save everything. Add a Google Docs note, choose create document, authenticate your Google account here. I have done it already. And then pick the folder, connect the required doc and everything, and then execute. But check the drive and you'll notice something. The document is empty. That's normal. Create document only makes the file. It does not write inside it. It does not update the document. So we need to add another Google Doc agent. Choose the update document option and map the document ID from the previous node and drop the entire content writer output in the content field. Execute again. Now the doc is full, as you can see. Last piece, add a Google Sheets note. We'll use append row, not update or append row, just append row. Map your topic, the date, status as done. The doc link. एक चीज याद रखना, Google Docs only give you the document ID, not the full link. So you'll have to build the URL manually as in the screen. I'll also put it in the description so you can get it from there. Now, once again, let's run the whole thing end to end, no cuts, so you can see how it actually works. I click execute, that's the only manual action in the entire thing. And we are done. The Google Doc gets created, gets updated, and finally, a new row appears in the Google Sheet with the topic, date, link, status. One click, every platform's content, research, written, saved, and tracked. This used to take me 3 to 4 hours after every single video. That just took me now under 2 minutes. So that's the full build, start to finish. It's already production ready, so you can use it today. Next video, we are going to build something completely different. A local small SMB business lead generation agent, and something that will also help you write personalized emails for the outreach as well. It finds real businesses in any area, pulls their contact details and as much information as it can, builds your ready to contact lead list automatically. And the best part, it runs on the same n8n foundation we just used here. So if you got this one working, the next one is going to feel super easy. See you in the next video.